name's Michelle Murphy and I'm an intensive care paramedic with Ambulance Victoria. Unfortunately, I've been to a couple of cases now where a toddler has drowned, and at any stage when anyone is drowned, you have this overwhelming sense of sadness and of loss. And it's not just for the family that have lost their child or the greater extended family, but it's also for the paramedics and emergency service personnel who attend the scene and the hospital if the patient goes to the hospital. So CPR is a really important skill for anybody to learn at any stage in their life, but it's really important when somebody has drowned or when their heart or their breathing has stopped to be able to do something to help them until further medical help arrives. CPR is a very important skill across all aspects of life. It's the ability to help somebody at that time when their heart or their lungs have stopped. And to get a CPR certificate, there's a number of first aid providers: Ambulance Victoria, St John Ambulance, Lifesaving Victoria, Royal Lifesaving, all offer a range of different courses. My advice is to check out one that's local to you, and you can do that through your local council. On the KidSafe website again has advice on that, and just to get some basic skills and some practice. Be rest assured though, if you don't have CPR training and you are needed to perform CPR, or you think you want to help somebody that's not breathing or doesn't have a pulse, when you call 000, the call takers at the other end of the phone will be able to walk you through step by step the things that you need to do to help somebody. CPR is one of those skills that once you have it, you should continue to practice it. Those organisations that offer CPR certificates will give you an idea of when you need to update the certificate or the course that you've done with them. And some workplaces obviously have an annual or a biannual reaccreditation, but it's always best to check with the provider that gives you your CPR certificate as to how often they recommend that you update it. The greatest advice I can give to anyone owning a pool or spa or any body of water even, because it only takes about a couple of inches for a toddler to drown, is to make sure that you have eyes on the children or the toddlers at all times in the water. And just make sure that if you're going to install one, that you follow the building regulations, which can be found on the KidSafe website and also on the Building Victoria website. Make sure you have an emergency plan in your house. Know that your children know how to call 000. Practice dialing the number or practice using the phone with them. Learn some CPR. Ambulance Victoria offers a 4 Steps for Life program that's available to adults. We also have some schools programs that are available at both primary and secondary school level. And remember, check the fences and check that you've got the right safety equipment around your home. Be the lifesaver in your home.